You didn't want me to go.
He asked me where you was. I wasn't gonna lie for you.
I know what you like for you, but I wasn't ready. I was going to turn myself in.
Hey, when you better sit down.
I was. My turn your nose.
Okay, let's show. What am I looking for?
Okay, Sergeant.
On February the 8th, 2023, at approximately 11:50 a.m., an officer with the Columbus Division of Police was sitting in a parking lot, minding his own business, watching the most recent episode of the Columbus Police Civilian Review Board.
Filed on August 29th, 2022. Complainant alleged that the officer was unprofessional, aggressive, judgmental, and racist. The second allegation was that the complainant's friend's rights were violated because he was placed in prison without being read his rights.
He was then approached by a woman stating she lived next to the parking lot he was sitting in and that her daughter was inside the house with a warrant for domestic violence.
She's here. She's in my house.
She's in the house?
Yes, I told him that. They showed me the vote.
Well,
They were
Alicia
probated.
has a warrant, right?
Right, but they were both probated yesterday.
I know, but the probate's different.
Okay? She's in the house.
Alicia's back in the house?
She was there when they were here. I told them that. I said, but listen, one of you better go to the back door. She's going to run.
So, where is she in the house?
Front room?
Right now?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll walk over with you.
I told him that, buddy.
The officer, believing that the suspect might flee the area before he's able to apprehend her if he waited for backup, agreed to walk into the house alone with this woman and place the daughter under arrest. The footage you are about to see might shock some viewers.
This is Alicia, right?
I got traffic up.
Hi. Do me a favor, go ahead and stand up.
Why'd you do that? I didn't. He asked me
Put that down.
where you was.
Put it down.
Come on, boys. Come later.
Put it
Don't do
down.
this to me.
He asked me where you was.
Put your bag down.
Please.
Go ahead and turn it
What I
around.
do? I know I have a warrant.
You have a warrant. That's what it is.
But it's not.
He asked
Why
me.
did you do this to me?
I didn't.
Mom, yes, why? I don't have nobody. I don't have nothing.
I didn't do nothing.
Hold on a minute.
He asked me where you was. I said in the house. I ain't gonna lie to him.
Hands behind your back.
I don't care.
Palms together. Interlace your fingers like you're
No,
praying.
no, don't touch me.
Thank you.
I'll get the beat 30 minutes. Shut up.
Please don't do this to me.
Well, I don't have a choice.
Yeah.
No, it's against the law.
I ain't gonna lie to him. I have no right to lie to him. He asked me where you was at.
They're hurting her, Mom.
No, they ain't.
The council hurt her
Somebody talk
back.
to Mom in a minute.
You can talk to her, but I'm still going to do this.
Listen, listen.
I don't have nobody.
Listen, where you going?
I don't have nobody or nothing.
No, it's hurting her. Listen,
Wait,
what's
shut
on
up. You better sit down with him.
Mom,
What are you
I'm
doing?
sweating.
I would never pick up trash.
Listen,
I
it's hurting
Let me
her.
get some
would
sensitive
pick up
towels.
trash. He said, where's the lunch?
Let your mom grab it for you.
I ain't gonna lie for
I
you.
don't know where everything is.
I will.
Well, you're not going to go
I'm sweating
anywhere.
really
Not
bad.
now, not
I
now.
realize that.
I'm just having an anxiety attack. Just hold on, please. I'm not gonna run. Please.
I realize being
I've
arrested
been-
makes you anxious. I
No,
understand
just
that.
give me a minute. Please give me.
You ask your mom to get whatever you need to get.
Please.
Let's hang on.
Out there picking up trash. He said, where's the lunch?
One,
I will not lie to him.
custody. There's a female available first.
I won't.
Please don't do this to me. Please.
I don't have a choice.
Sweating. Can I sit down?
Well, you can come sit down in the
No,
car.
not yet. Let me
She'll
smoke.
get you out.
I'll let you stand
Yeah, she'll get you
outside.
out, okay?
Give me cigarettes. Mom, get in my bag. Get in my bag.
Grab her a
Move,
cigarette.
Whitney.
My cigarettes.
Give
I
it.
have a cigarette.
What numbers and stuff do you
It's a
need,
bar
Alicia?
hammer.
Please hold on. I gotta get phone numbers and stuff.
What
Gets
numbers?
me out all the
I
time.
need. I don't have a phone.
She gets me out all the
Whitney,
time.
sit down.
Give it to her.
Okay, Whitney.
Cigarette.
What's it, him?
Please, I'm
I
about to
don't
pass
tend to
out.
fucking have it.
Shut up.
What?
Sit down.
About to pass out because I have mental health.
I
I'm
realize.
sweating
you
real
do.
bad. I have anxiety.
Oh,
Can you please?
Lish.
I did this.
Lish, I love
I
you.
didn't. I was over there picking up trash. He said, where's the lunch? I said, sitting in my...
No, I was there. I was sitting up.
He
My
asked-
we're going to have to walk all the way over there, actually.
He asked me where you was, and I said at the
That thing
house.
is flashing.
I ain't gonna lie to him,
I
Lisa.
was sitting there waiting
What
for
is
you.
the warrant for? Domestic violence, right?
I think it is, yeah.
I won't let go to court.
Probably tomorrow.
Now, am I supposed to hold this while you smoke it?
No,
No, just put it in your mouth.
no,
Just put it in.
can you let me smoke?
No, I'm not
I'm
taking
not
you out
gonna
of
do
cuffs.
nothing stupid.
I don't care.
I'm not that dumb.
Come on,
Please,
you want that cigarette?
please don't make me do it like this.
We're gonna walk outside now.
No, I need stuff.
What
I
stuff?
What
need
do you
do you
need
my
now?
numbers wrote down.
What phone
Get in
number?
my
Who's
bag, in my bag.
phone number?
Please, I have to. I have to.
Go ahead.
You get in my bag.
Okay, which one? Where?
Turn my phone on. It's dead.
This one?
I have to plug it in. Mommy. I don't know.
I went over to pick up
You're not
trash.
gonna be there
But you
for
know
me.
what? Listen, you damn right why. I'm no longer a bitch, a whore, a piece of shit.
But
Let's just-
if you
let's do the
even
numbers
traffic
thing.
me,
You're a
I need a
liar.
reason.
Okay.
They did.
You're a liar.
Everyone knows what
Stop
happened
it.
here. Are you trying to call me a liar?
I just want you to stop and just focus on what you're supposed to be doing right now.
I am telling her how I
I'm
feel.
being very cool.
Please.
Being really nice
Legend.
right now. I'm letting you get your
I'm
numbers.
trying to tell her
Come
how
on,
I
let's
We're
your
gonna
feel.
walk
phone's coming
out to the
on.
car.
Legend, go.
I'm trying to tell her how I feel as a daughter.
Okay. Well, you've been telling her that for years. This isn't my first time being here. Usually it's you and your sister that are going
You
at
don't
it.
want to talk to me?
Here,
I'm not
I don't
gonna
like
run.
this.
I'm sorry. You don't want to talk to me? I'm really hot. We gotta zip my coat some before I pass the
There
bro.
you go.
Thanks.
It's cool outside, but it's not
I need a
cold.
bra.
What's weather
I
supposed to
need
be?
a different bra.
High of 50.
Really?
I need a
Well,
bra.
I can't help you with that.
She can't get me
She
one?
can get you one. We can
Where?
take it with us.
It's on the porch of my stuff.
Your phone's coming on.
Okay, come on. Listen, please. Mommy, you didn't want me to leave.
Listen, he asked me where you was.
You didn't want me to
He
go.
asked me where you was. I wasn't gonna lie for you.
Thirsty, but I know what you like for you, but I wasn't ready. I was gonna turn myself in.
Hey, when you
that
sit down.
I was. My turn your nose.
Okay, let's show. What am I looking for?
Roger,
What,
please don't
she
be
wants a
mean.
bra.
Okay, but I
It's gotta
need to.
be
Yeah, like a
without a
sports
wire.
bra.
Go to a sports bra.
Without a wire. No, no sports bra.
Where at?
Right here.
Which one?
And just go through and show me, I'll tell you. That one don't have a wire. Give me that one.
This one?
Yeah.
If you want to grab her little backpack in there, we can just throw it in there.
No, it's okay. I'll leave the backpack here.
I'll do
Okay,
it.
just stuff it in her pocket.
Put it in my mommy. I need phone numbers right now.
Okay,
Who can I
listen.
call you?
I'm not putting no money on the pen.
Please, give my cigarette.
I gave in all I'm giving.
Step back.
Please, please,
I'm not giving in no more. Listen.
please don't do me like that. I don't have
That in there's going. She's got a probate.
Mommy.
Oh, yeah, you do.
No, I'm not probated.
Oh, yeah.
How'd
No, I'm not.
How'd
As
you
of
get
yet.
out of the hospital?
No,
anyway?
I'm. Excuse me, I'm not supposed to be in the hospital or probated. Mom, you're not probated me. Look at your
Look, I'm
nose.
the one that transported her last time.
No, listen to me. I went to where I was supposed to go. I do what I'm supposed to do.
Yeah,
Hey,
yeah.
Alicia, what are you doing?
I do
Well, she
everything I'm
doesn't want to
supposed
hug
to
you.
do.
No.
Mom,
can
hug
tell.
her.
No.
All right.
I'm not
Let's walk over to my
probated.
car.
But
No, I gotta
anyway,
get some stuff.
No, she gave you your
The
stuff.
numbers
How
and
much
stuff,
more
dude.
The numbers?
I need some phone numbers.
They'll let you get the numbers off it at the jail.
I don't want to take my phone to jail. They lose my stuff.
Okay.
Is it
it's
on?
dead. It's dead. Anyway,
Turn the other one. The other one.
They
The
did
other
do it.
phone. The
What's
other
that?
phone before they
It's not
take
working?
me. Please, wait.
hospital. She called me,
Get my bag.
and she was from.
Get the other
She
phone.
was on Mountain Avondale. I said, well, how did you get there?
We'll walk over to the car here.
But,
Get the other phone. Why?
shut up. They both were probated yesterday.
Again?
They took to OSU, yes.
Okay. Well, she's the jail will take care
Well,
of
then
that.
I
No, they
mean,
don't.
And county,
don't help me.
when we came and got
Badger.
Wendy last time, county was on their way here to get her.
well,
So they'll
she
be
wanted
fine.
today.
They'll
Badger.
be against
They
you.
don't help
Because
me.
Your phone is dead.
I have another one.
It's dead.
I'm trying to get you to go and get the other one.
Oh,
Turn it on.
God.
Please let me
Better
do
get
this.
those ones.
I am. I'm trying.
Please. If I'm gonna pass out,
You're not gonna pass out here.
I have
Grab a
some
cigarette.
bad. Yeah, please. I have really bad mental health,
I know this.
but I don't. I take a Haldol shot,
Okay.
and I'm due for it. This cuff is hurting me. That's okay.
Before.
Oh,
I just walked over and grabbed her.
Oh, yeah.
I was in there picking up trash.
Yep.
I know people grab it.
They say he was sitting over there.
Yeah, we have
Shut up.
one. I don't know. If there's any others on his
No,
own.
I went over. Yeah. I went over to pick up trash.
so much to me.
I went over to pick up trash. He said,
Let's
"Where's
get
the
my
lake
cigarettes."
trash?" I will not lie for my teeth. That's not my agenda. He asked me where you was at. I told him.
I didn't expect you
He said,
to.
"So she's been over there the whole time." I said, "Well, yes, neither of them was that correct. She was sitting in the house."
That's where I was staying.
I don't know. The other two officers were in here and they didn't
They said they didn't.
Apparently they didn't ask.
They didn't even ask.
Can I get some money?
Like that
The
in.
jail will hook you up with all that
They're not
stuff.
gonna let me call people.
Well,
Well,
what?
what are you gonna do? What are the numbers gonna do you any good?
Just like you get out of jail and stuff and everything, have people to talk to, people to call.
But you get out
But who?
I can't, I don't want to be there
Who?
alone.
when you get out
Who
of
are you
jail,
gonna call?
My friends, my family.
when
You know your mom's number?
She's not gonna let me call her.
when you get out of jail, you're going to Nick.
No, I'm
Oh, yeah,
not.
she.
No, I'm not.
It was ordered.
Okay.
There's a reason to probate me, Mom. We done went through this.
All right, Alicia.
No, please,
We're
just
done.
give me something to drink.
No, go
Let
ahead.
me get my phone. I'm thirsty.
You said you didn't want to take
Oh,
your
please
phone
don't
with
come
you.
here with something to
All right,
drink.
let's go. Let's go.
Please let him give me something.
We're not gonna do that. Let's.
Badger, let me get something to drink, bro.
No.
Please.
I was extremely patient and nice to
Okay,
you.
but let me get something to drink. Pretty please, I wasn't
We're
done.
gonna go around the other side of the ice cream shop.
I don't have to
I hadn't even looked.
Please, Badger.
I just know that they came and told me that she has 50s.
Okay.
They're like, yeah, they're good. I'm like, all right, I'll keep an eye out for her.
Badger, you're pushing me faster than I want to go, bro.
Worst case scenario, we can get you some water up in.
Please.
Yeah,
But where?
headquarters.
Yeah,
Well,
Please.
they ripped
Here
out.
she comes. Oh, yeah. Please. I'm shaking and stuff, dude. I'll be sick. Please. I'll be dope sick. It's so long.
Did they put drink fountains back in? Because they were all ripped out.
They are back in. Yes.
I was up there the other day and I.
Do you
forgot
want to
to
drink?
look.
Bob, shut up.
Because I went through one day
Yeah.
when
You do
someone
this
needed
to
to
me. Always
get
ruin
it.
all
I
my
think
life.
I came over here.
All right, let's get.
I picked up trash. He asked where you was, and I told him sit over there. He said he was there when they were there. I thought, why?
I need that.
He was in the house when Snyder was there.
You're going to let me in my bag, got my purse on.
I ain't been. Shut up.
No, my
You want to drink a pop before I slap you in your mouth? No.
Come on. Let's try to do this the easy way.
I'm sick of you doing me wrong. I'm doing it the easy way.
Both of you. Come on, let's drink your soda so we
I'm
can
not
go.
doing nothing, buddy. I'm
I
trying
know
to.
you're
You feel it.
you're not talking very nice. He's already in cuffs. No, you weren't being nice.
I'm
All right,
sorry, but
let's go, Alicia.
you didn't go through what I did.
Well, I understand.
Mommy.
Stop it.
Mommy.
Come on.
Come here.
How old are you? How old are you? You're in your 30s, right? For God's sake, stop crying for your mommy.
You don't understand.
I do.
You don't know what they did to me.
Alright, I'm just gonna search real quick, honey. You got anything
My
on you I
bra.
need to- okay.
Just my wireless bra.
I'm just gonna have you face the car.
Alex hurt me.
Car.
It's hurt me. It's hurt. These are hurt me.
Good. Try to like.
You can't say I'm not cooperative.
Nothing else on you that you
Badger.
drive
You can't
safe.
say,
Just pay attention to
you
her.
can't say I'm not cooperative.
Watch out.
Because I am. And you know it.
I didn't say that.
I'm very cooperative. There's nothing on me. Nothing. I just got up. There's nothing on me at all.
People sometimes forget what they leave in their clothes.
Sometimes they're not even your clothes.
My wireless bra. Oh, that's my mom's. She has to have that. She has to medical for that. That's her pin. Her THC pin or whatever.
I don't think THC
She
oil
has
is
a-
legal in Ohio.
She has a card for it or whatever.
I thought only like regular organic marijuana was legal.
That's what it is. Liquid.
Well, then-
No, seriously. It's a pin. I knew that.
yeah.
It's going with you. I just gotta take it out of your
Hey,
pocket.
will you please give my mom that pin? She has to have that. Badger,
Okay, I hear you.
he's on.
As far as I'm concerned, it's just a regular old vape
What are
pen.
you talking about?
Who's that dude?
I don't know. I don't know who it is. I don't know him.
Someone that's not minding his own business.
Hey, Badger,
Yeah.
can you make sure I get some air?
I'll roll the window
Because I
down
really
for
do
you.
feel like I'm going to pass out.
Okay. Sit you down. I'll roll the window down.
These
Anything on your
cuffs are a
bra?
little tight.
They're not.
Yes, look at it. It's
Anything on
hurting
your
my
bra?
wrist. I have a
Tell
knot
you
on
what,
my
I'll have
wrist.
my partner here
Badger.
check the cuffs while
Look,
she's back
it's
there.
imprinted in my skin right here. It hurts. And I have a knot on my wrist where they broke it. Wait, please.
Which one?
Both of them are like that. It's even against my palm right here.
They
Ow.
look fairly loose to me.
I'm not gonna slip them. I have a knot. I have where they broke my
Well,
wrist
they're
here.
generally not comfortable to begin with. If you hold your fingers
Well,
like
then,
this,
none of your
takes the
cop ever
pressure
puts
off.
them that tight because they
I'm
know
only
my
gonna
wrist
loosen
is
this
bad.
They're
That's the
not
only one
tight.
that's-
They're
Ow. Then no, my wrist
I'm
is
pretty
bad.
gentle with the cuffs.
Badger.
Swear.
You don't have to be like that, bro. I didn't do. What?
Oh, it's just annoying.
Okay.
Yeah, the rings ain't gonna come off.
All right, hon. I'm gonna give that thing your mom.
Yeah, I have to go to my
I
mom.
won't give it to you anyway.
Shit. Can't pull my pants down just a little bit. They feel uncomfortable way up like that.
Turn around. What do you want, man?
Put them down a little bit to my waist. They're up too high. They're feel uncomfortable like that. Get some air out you.
I'll roll the window down.
Please.
I'm gonna run out to your mom.
Okay. You know, I was just about to call my attorney to get me on the docket to go to court and turn myself in. So it's not like I was hiding from you guys.
It doesn't matter to me. It's just, we have to serve warrants.
You're being a sarcastic butthole.
No, it's just, I don't have a choice in the matter. If it's a warrant, it's a warrant, and I don't have any choice
But
in
you
the
didn't
matter.
even know I was there because she called you guys secretly.
She called before. She didn't call
Yeah.
again.
Huh?
She didn't call a second time.
No, you guys didn't leave. You guys been sitting over here watching.
I've been sitting here, yeah.
All I was hiding and running.
Alright, I'll figure it out.
I'm always easy to get a hold of. The cops have been following me. They're trying to get me to follow the dope houses. Because I tell them where everybody's at and with the dope and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
I do. They don't make me a snitch. Right?
I suppose.
Badger. I think if I have to call squad.
Why?
Because I don't feel right. I feel like I'm gonna pass out. My head is hurting. I was bashed in my head like a week ago too. I was bashed in my head when they burnt my face again.
Okay.
And I never wanted to be checked for it. And I've been having some issues with passing out and getting dizzy since I was hitting my head with a candle.
190.
190.
Can you start me at 24? My code 3 thinks she's going to pass out. I'm at the ice cream shop next to the house.
Copy 1 over.
I'll let you know if I need a squad, okay?
Well, I just called one for you.
Oh, well, it's okay. I wasn't trying to have you do it now. Just tell them never mind.
No,
Yeah,
they'll come look at you and then they'll...
Just in case, because I might not need them. Badger.
Well, it's too late. I already called them.